Hello everyone, this is Dr. Song. Welcome to my YouTube video. So last session I showed you how you can organize your variable in the SPSS. So this is the second class for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, really you didn't use the SPSS before, and then this class will be very useful to have some knowledge about the SPSS. So I was explaining last session about how you can put the variable in the variable view dimension, and then also you can find the data view what you created in the variable in your data view. So let's just create quickly about the three types of variable. So the name will be the gender. So that is there about your biological sex. And then let's say the education, that is the education level. And then another one, it will be the age, that is the continuous variable. So here you create the value of the gender. You will say that is a one means that is male, and then you will say the two, that is a female. So there are two values in this measure of the nominal variable, and then education, that will be the education level, and then let's create that with the one will be the primary school, and then number two will be the secondary school, and then number three will be the university. Okay, so that is the ordinal variable because you can rank the values with the low, medium, and high. So this is the ordinal variable. Now, age, you don't have to create the value because that is the numerical value. You can use the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. So this is a continuous variable. You can just leave the values without defining anything. Just about the label, you can write that is a biological sex. Yeah. Now you can put the one space, and then here name you cannot put the space, so be careful about that. Education, you will say the education level, and then age, that is just the age, like you say the same thing. I mean, you don't have to say the label. Yeah. Now let's go to the data view. So you can see that when you create the variables in the variable view, data view automatically that is entered. And then now you will have maybe in here is a ID, that is a one ID variable. You don't have to put anything. That is just about the identifier. Ident identifier. So this variable you will not use it for your analysis, but you will need when you do the some manipulation of the data. So let's say that you have the ID, gender, education, age, and then there are four different variables. And then let's say that somebody said the one, that means that is a male, and then two female, one male, and then two female, one, and then two. Okay. Now, education level is somebody say that I'm a secondary school, and the secondary also, and then the university, and the secondary, and then the primary. Yeah. Okay, age, it will be the 20, and then this one 21, and then 30, and then this one 24, and then 25, and then 26, let's say. And then ID will be the participant 1, participant 2, and the participant 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. Okay, yeah. This one you can change that with the decimal. You can put in the without any decimal. And then this also, yeah, it will be the 0. There is also the 0, and then this also 0. And then you will see that let's in the data view. So they don't have the decimal points. So now we understand that gender 1 2 1 2 1 2, that what it means with the value, and that is just the participant the number, the participant 1 2 3 etc. So this one has the complete information about the six participants. But let's say the seven participants, he didn't write the about his gender. And the education, let's say he did a primary school. And the age is he didn't say, and that is the participant seven. Yeah. So we consider those things here. They are the missing values. So this is not a zero. Because when you put the 0 here, that is not the missing value for SPSS. That is the value of 0, but the 0 is not defined in your gender value. zero, in fact, the SPSS will not consider that is the like one value, but they will not consider either, neither is a missing value. So it's very important to give the information to SPSS. When it's nothing here, that should be dealt with the missing value. So how you can do that? In the missing, that column, yeah. So you will say that in the, when you see in the where is the missing, so it's a gender and then age. So you will see the gender missing, you will say that uh, discrete missing value. So you will put this and then you will say the 99. Okay. And then also the age, that will be age is written. Yeah, age was the not written. So here is the age. You will say that that is also the discrete missing value is the 99. Okay. So you define the missing value with the 99, and then you can go there, you put the 99, and then this is also 99. So now it's perfect for SPSS. He will consider when it's written 99, that means that it's a missing value. That means that the question was not answered. So this is the exact way how you treat the missing values when you have your data doesn't have any value, and then it will be very clear for an analysis in SPSS. So I hope this can help you as a beginner when you put your variables in the SPSS. That will be the very important step. Thank you very much, and see you next time.